Hey guys, happy Vlogmas and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope everyone enjoyed their Christmas, their Boxing Day, and hope everyone's gonna enjoy their New Year as well. Well, in today's video is gonna be a vlog. I have to run a few errands in town, so I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. So if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. All right. Oh. Alright guys, so let's hit the road and go for the ride. Yes, Aiden, you want to say something? Okay, come. He wants to say something. Guys, Ian call me here. Say hi. Aiden, say hi. Say Aiden. Alright guys, so see you on the road. Alright guys, so guys, right now I'm driving in this Bellier area. I'm headed to the workshop again because I'm hearing a noise. I don't know if it's something that's going to need to be fixed right away. I don't know, so I'm just gonna check. I'm just going to mechanic again to check it out. I hope it's nothing I have to buy or anything like that. I hope it's just something minor only. Alright? I hope it's just something minor. Guys, I'm not finding my my tripod, so I'm holding the phone because I ain't finding my tripod. So these two men must be wild why I videoed them. They're just stay guys, so driving to the workshop. These areas got some nice houses. Wow, nice millions to them too. Lot of money. I'm gonna turn this corner here and head straight into Duncan Street. And the corner there coming up there is Milton. Oops. Speed bump. Corner coming up there is Milton Street. I hope I get you right away because I got a couple of spins to make today. And I hope it's not nothing major. I'm gonna be going to parking. Where you can park your bike there? So where the hell we can park now? Lord have mercy. Okay, alright, so and just turn on down the street here, guys. I may got park in this corner here because I ain't seen no other place to park. Woo. I feel like we're going in the gutter now. Like leaning. Alright guys, so heading into the workshop now. Hope it's nothing major because Christmas just done, guys, and everybody broke. Nobody got money to fix with that car right now, so I hope it's not nothing major. So let's go and see. Alright, I'm still at the workshop, guys. I'm waiting like about half an hour now because I got a lot of cars, but they're gonna squeeze me in. So I'm just here sitting, guys. Guys, do you guys notice that this side of my hair is burgundy and then this side is this side is not burgundy? Do you guys see the difference? I just noticed it. Like, what the hell? Alright guys, so we're on Cherry Street. I'm just headed to the supermarket to buy some grapes and apple for my mom. She wants that, so I have to go buy for her. Driving on Sheriff Street. Alright guys, so it wasn't, yeah, some air, yeah. So guys, it wasn't nothing like major, thank God. It's the belt with the put on. They had to tighten up the belt and put some, what's called WD on it. Yeah, so thank God for that. So no expense for me. So I now stop at the tire shop just to put some air in my tires. And then I head to the supermarket to buy the apple and grapes for my mom. All the rest of the stuff I'm gonna do till tomorrow because it's already afternoon. Time run out for me. Time run out. So I ain't have to do a lot of stuff I'm supposed to do today. So I'm here going to buy the apples now. So all they have is the apples. These apples are proper small though. Some small ass apples. Anyway, I guess I go to the market and buy instead. I'll pick up these two small. What the rest is this? It looks like tomatoes. They don't have grape and the apple's very small, so I might gotta end up going to the drive-thru market and border. Alright guys, so I just left the bakery and even video. So I'm driving down Guyana Street now, Newtown. I grew up in Guyana Street. So this is school we just passed here. So since if I think so. So I'm driving down Guyana Street and I have to go to the drive-thru market because I want to get some apples and some grapes from my mother. I like supermarket things sell out. But I know definitely for sure the market will go. And I also want to get some more sorrel because better believe it guys, the 2 pound cake finished, so I want to bake 2 more of the pound cake with the sorrel cake, so I have to go buy more sorrel. So it was so good. Have you guys tried the sorrel recipe as yet? You can leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys try it. It was so good. Still I have to do it again. In 1 week I'm making sorrel 2 times. Sorrel cake, wow. Anyway guys, I'm now about to approach Regent Road. That bar is with me, red bar. Alright guys, so I'm back again to the drive-thru market here. Guys, you guys see a difference? I just found a guy in the corner selling car tripods, so yeah, I don't have to hold the phone anymore with my normal tripod. I have a car tripod now. I'm so happy about that. So I'm here to get some grapes, some apples, and some sorrel. And I also just buy a pine. I'm thinking to do some pineapple fruit cake. Would you guys like to see that? Pineapple fruit cake. Yeah, just bought a pine. Oh, I would need to buy some rum, some more red wine, some more bag of wine. I need to buy. I think I run out of money, so let me see here. I'm only done by the apple and grape. I can see if I have enough, and I'll go buy 2 bags of wine. Hey there, how you doing? How is on the apple? Look at this is small. Oh, but this 5,000. This unit thing. Six. Let me see the 6,000 one. And how you selling the grapes? Let me see them.
Where's the mixed one?
Oh. Alright, give me 12,000. Small one and done now.
They were one.
And give them, let me see these grapes. What's 800? This 800?
Oh,
Oh.
not a bad.
I want them. That's like, that's a good deal. Alright, let me get a phone. How you selling the tangerine? For how much? And the banana? And the banana is sweet fig? Oh, 200.
I have one shaker.
No, that's a bun.
I have one to sweet pay. Where is it?
200. 200 sweet fig. Money done there.
Thank you.
Welcome. Now do you want a ginger? Nah, but this is hard for clean.
Huh?
Not hard for clean.
You say you put it in the bowl of water and brush it out.
Well, I can't even tell you. You have to see where I have it. Go to that choke.
You got more than a pound, give me 200.
I'll give my pound of the potato and patronize you.
Pound 200.
You want so much? I just patronize you. Please, 100 5 finger there. 5 finger. 100. Maybe buy some 5 finger, make some juice home for my mom and eat them.
Thank you.
Alright, thanks. I need some ginger. Give me the 5 lime for 100 now. And give me 200 worth of ginger. Thank you. That's from my ginger beer, guys. I have some more ginger at home. So that's just gonna top it up. I'll be making some Guyanese homemade ginger beer. Wait, I see the woman got no sorrel there. Wait, like buy this sorrel, man. What is? Oh, what is this? And she's the only person I know about sorrel. Like seriously? Oh my god, when I say I'm gonna make 2 more sorrel cake. You got sorrel? Alright. Oh, sorrel, guys. I'm sad. No sorrel for me. I know what's for selling. So we're on Regent Street now, guys. So I'll give you guys a time lapse of Regent Street. Alright guys, so I stopped at the supermarket here to see if I get the Banco red wine so I can able to make my cake tonight. I'm in the supermarket here, getting my Banco wine. I need 2 bottles. My Banco wine and my vodka. So I'm buying these 3 things here. I'm also gonna pick up some of these here. So guys, I got my Banco wine for my cake and I bought some more flour, so I'm on my way home now. So see you guys at home.